What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is time to take the engine out. It really isn't time, but we're gonna take the engine out because I'm excited. The other engine's looking really good, and it being auto, I won't drive it, so it's time to take the engine out. So we're gonna get right into it. I'll try to be a little bit more detailed for you guys in this video, saying what you need to do to take your engine out of your chaser. But you know, I get excited, so I might miss one or two things. So come on, let's go. Cool, so the first thing you gotta do when you're gonna take your engine out is get a friend to help you. I don't wanna help. So you gotta figure out how to trap him to stay here and help you take the engine out. That's the first thing you gotta do. Second thing, you gotta put in a lift, jack stands, whatever you have. That's what you gotta do. And also, if you got a little son, man, hey, put him to work, man. Put him to work. Look at him, he's over here trying to put the car in the lift and all. I mean, it might fall on me, but I'm still a proud dad. Nah, he knew how to put it on there. Side skirt's got to come up and everything. All right. Nick really wants his hood back, but don't want to give it back. All right, cool. I'll probably pull the harness right, Haitian. You start out here.
Should do what?
You'll start out here.
What do you need?
I mean,
You gotta take the front end off?
No. Intake, pull the intake, and disconnect the battery, lower harness, whatever hoses it's gonna.
You want me to ruin the car?
Like brake booster, like the brake booster and stuff. I'll go inside the car and disconnect. I'll go inside and disconnect the harness, and you can start out here.
All right.
The radiator just got water in it. The radiator just got water in it.
Keep my hands clean, you know.
Oh, buttercup ass. Hey, he didn't make it to TRC event. Just let you know, he was sleeping.
I texted you like 4:50.
You know what you should have did, right? You should have called me 3 times. You know.
Your personal alarm clock?
Coffee Joe, huh? You drunk all that coffee, but you weren't hyping up the call me, huh?
Hey man, I got up.
Yeah, you did, cause all that coffee, it's all in your system. You don't even sleep for real.
I really don't.
All right, cool. So like I was saying, the first thing you need to do, well, that's not the first thing. We're in like the third thing. So the next thing you need to do is disconnect the wire harness from the body of the car. Some people take the harness off of the engine first and leave it in the car, but I'm gonna disconnect it from in the car because I'm gonna make a new harness for the car anyways. So I'm gonna go inside, disconnect the ECU, anything that connects to the chassis, and Haitian's gonna stay out here and do the like the radiator, the brake booster hose, the throttle cable, all that other small stuff while I do the big stuff, you know. It's my car, you know, so yeah. Alright, cool. So to get the wire harness out, you gotta take out the glove box. On these chases, it's actually really easy. There's one Phillips here, another one right here besides the little kick panel on the passenger side, and then there's 2 in here, and then boom, you just kind of snatch it out, and that's it. The ECU's on this side, underneath where the radio is, and you just pull 2 10 mils, you slide it out, unplug it, and that's it. And like you guys seen in the clip before, it just pull the harness straight up and it'll come right through. So that's pretty easy. That's actually easier than 240. Crazy. That's the same thing. You good?
Am I good, huh?
That's all
What you get it on camera for? That's
why we gotta wear
That shit looks so fucking sturdy.
Nah, bro, that's why we gotta wear shoes in the shop.
Oh,
You out here in slides.
And chocolatas? You say that? Let me hear you roll some R's.
Some chocolates.
Yeah, he said it's so white. Oh my goodness.
Cool, so next step is put the car up in the air, make sure you drain out all the fluids, drain the transmission, drain the engine oil, then you will do the engine mount bolts and the torque converter bolts, because this thing is auto. If not, obviously bell housing bolts, that type of stuff if you're taking the tranny out. We might just pull everything together, but still gonna pull the torque converter bolts so that we don't gotta fight with it on the floor after we get it out. All right, so cameraman's making me talk while I work, which is what I never do. I just skip everything and talk to y'all at the end. So I'm working on the bell housing bolts now. We already got the torque converter bolts out, which is actually pretty easy on the JZ, and the dry shaft's out and the exhaust is off. So mostly everything's out the way. Tranny lines, you know, little stuff, and then we'll drop the tranny out, then we'll lift the engine out. We're gonna separate it when it's on the ground anyway, so why not just do it now? Yeah. Oh, of course, the cable gets... You got it? Yeah. All right, so I got the transmission out, which means I did the hard work. I'm gonna leave Fat Boy to do the easy thing. He's gonna use the hoist and lift it out, you know, because he ain't got the guns like me. I just, y'all understand what I mean, right? Asian, take over the camera, I'm going.
What he's saying is he's old and he can't do it himself, so you know he needs my help. Go up, bro.
I go for 2 seconds, bro. Man, the guy about to drop the motor, bro. Like I never dropped his motor in his car, bro. Bro, lift up on the front. Come around here, bro. Just come around the front. Hold it.
Bro, you strapped it like you didn't give a fuck.
Until that thing where I said is like, you know, you gotta make sure you strap your friends to help you. This is payback.
We got the motherfucking filmer. I'm gonna call you Coffee. What up, Coffee?
What up?
Oh, hey there. Damn, man, I got to throw the bow in that motherfucker.
I smell
You
pussy.
gonna fucking see me? What's up, man?
What's up, bitch?
Yeah, that's
Welcome to motherfucking Florida.
I haven't
Got that-
seen you
oh,
in a hot
shit.
minute.
Oh shit, we lit. We lit. Hey, hey. Hey, help him out, man. My bad. Hey, y'all good?
Yeah, y'all don't look good. That shit is in there backwards as fuck. Real mechanic.
I didn't know I used to work on stuff. That's crazy.
Oh shit, we blowing up borders? Okay. Turn up.
I don't know. You guys do some weird Florida shit. What? There's so many plates all over.
It didn't come out straight, but it did come out. So I think he did a good job. He definitely deserved a little beer. Look, look. So the next step is we're gonna test the new motor in there. I want to do fab work, so I want to just go ahead and probably wash it real quick, stick the engine and tranny in there, bolt it up a little bit, fab up the piping, wire it, start it, drive it. Probably not. I should probably pull it back out and paint it, but we'll see what happens. You never know with me.
So you're gonna be here.
What is it? What do they say? Bipolar or what is it? What is it called?
You are bipolar.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You look bipolar.
I'll do this now, dude.
We got the FDF brothers in the building. Ooh.
Man, I can't wait to see you.
Hey guys, I love my sponsors FDF. They take care of me and they're gonna get me a new kit for this chaser so we can do some chaser things. Got him.
Your kids, you got them in stock.
We'll work some out. Get my game face on. Come on, Trump. Say something to me. Say something. Woo! Woo! Go! Come on. Ah! Bitch, let's go! Let's fucking go! My chest. All right, cool. So, Chris washed up the engine bay, nice and clean. He did a shitty job. Chris, he did a shitty job.
Oh, and then you know man.
right. I can't do him like that. He did a good job. It is dark and
your ring?
it's a little bit cold outside. Yeah, this is a piston ring. This is piston ring. Just random shit, guys. You know, it's late. We hanging out. Somebody bought a bunch
Chris
of
still
Modelo's.
there. God damn, I can tell you.
We got the booth in the building. But what we're really here to talk about is this Jay-Z, right? So it's like 98% ready to be mated to this brand new transmission. Shout out to my dog Adam and the Drift HQ boys getting me this brand new thing. You know what I'm saying? Still gonna shift like a truck, but hey, whatever. So we're gonna take this down off the stand. We're gonna make these two marry each other. Even though they're gonna get a divorce later because I'm gonna break some shit. And I'm gonna try to get the engine in tonight. Cameraman probably gotta go home, you know. So when the shaky video, y'all remember what I said in the last video, Chris is the one recording when the video's shaky. When the video's nice and steady, cameraman got it. Alright? So
Nah, I'm going home.
you going home too? I guess I'm gonna be recording, so it's gonna be smooth, baby.
I got you. Might be shaky. It might be shaky. Gonna be really shaky.
He's talking about, he got me. He's drinking baby Modelo.
Hey.
Oh! Another baby Modelo drinker. Hey, let me get one.
Yeah. Talk shit then ask for one.
We gonna delete that clip. And then he wants to be involved.
I gotta help out.
He's trying to balance off the Modelos.
Bitch, I'm dead.
That was easy. It has no trans, that's why it was easy. Next move is to bolt up the new trans, you know, put transy mount, make sure it works. I think this car, since it was auto, I gotta cut the tunnel and put a
Hole.
I'll explain when I get there. I got too much Modelo.
You gotta put a hole in the top of the
The engine
shifter.
looks crooked.
It is.
That's Bristol. We got Poofy Donnie broke my shit.
Catching him in 4K.
Fucking it up.
Over here doing donuts
Where the hell did this go to? Ain't go to nothing. Ain't go to. Oh, here's our issue. Oh, there's wiring on the side. The side of this.
Wow, he got it out. Look at that.
Look at that, and then these interior never got messed up. Factory. Perfect.
God, he's got a stroke for a fat guy. Ooh, oh shit. This ain't no
He's
fat.
like, he's thinking about how he has to pick it up before he has to pick it up the way.
Got it, bro? You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bitch is sharp as fuck. He said, yeah.
Yeah, brand new, machined edges.
Hey, I know. Cut the. Just
Alright, guys, as you can see, it's become a shit show because we're tired and we had a lot of beer. The Canadian guys got to go back to Canada. And Sean Booth,
is sleeping.
yeah, he's doing Smurdoff things, so
Really, bro?
he's tired. So we'll call it a night. Maybe tomorrow I'll get back to this. And
I'll be
we'll
here.
see you later because I'm going home. Camera going home. Canadians are going home.
No,
We're all
I'm here
going
till
home.
Tuesday, dude.
You ain't here.
Doesn't count. You gotta go get the angle kit for the Chaser. Take your ass back to Canada, get us the angle kit for Chaser.
What about rear arms?
For the BMW. Yes, we need RAM
Oh, I
for
was
the
talking
BMW.
about the Chaser.
Yeah, I need that too.
Yeah, these are looking stocky as fuck.
He extra. I need everything, bro. Just send me the whole package, okay?
I got one of these.
Shout out
one
to
of
FDF
these,
for always
one
taking
of
care of your boy
these,
Lee.
one of
I fucks with
these.
y'all. Beep that out. Please beep that out. Yeah, and cut that out. Now you making me do takes. Yeah, we going home. I'm making them work too.
Hey, I got one of these.
We'll
one of
continue
these,
tomorrow.
one of these.